Good evening, customers. This is a presentation from SBI Life, Smart Elite, which is a privileged product for a privileged people to give maximum who are expecting maximum from the life, right? And this product is given such an optimization, long-term investment and long-term risk cover. So, what is a long-term investment, long-term risk cover? Generally, life insurance products are being given life cover more and life value more, life insurance value more. But when it comes to this product, this is given value for the investment and value for the life cover. This has got two options. Option one is called gold option. Option two is called platinum option. And this has also got inbuilt accidental death benefit, which also provides accidental, total and permanent disability. So this has got third important feature is that settlement option. And death claim is being given such a way that it can be taken into installment just like a pension every month. And introduction of new funds also being given in here. And one is called pure fund. Pure fund means actually it doesn't invest into any banking or finance or even the beverages or distilleries and entertainment firms like hotels, gambling, lotteries and all. And also leather and animal produce and sugar and hatcheries. Why means that certain communities they don't like to invest into these kind of sectors. That's the reason pure fund. It is given one pure fund, and also it has got other funds like mid cap, equity fund, balance fund, growth fund, or other funds. Of course, we'll discuss in the next slide. And other important key features is that life cover throughout the policy. Throughout the policy term means actually that suppose you are investing only for short term, 7 years or 10 years, and you can keep your life cover, that is term, up to even 30 years. That is again your choice. Either it is a 10 years, 15 years, 20 years or 25 years or 30 years. That's your choice. So short-term investment and long-term life cover. Features boost fund value because allocation charges are only for the only 5 years. And no premium allocation charges from the 6th policy year. Generally, in mutual funds, once you are investing, you have to pay about 2% or 2.5% or even some mutual funds are 3% they are charging, and throughout the term that now whichever the year that now maturity you want to take, till then you have to pay. But whereas here it is only for 5 years. And most important thing is that you can choose your term and you can choose your premium payment also. Your term is your choice, that no 30 years or even 20 years or 15 years or 10 years, that's your choice. And your premium payment, it is a minimum started with 1,50,000 rupees and maximum is the sky is the limit. And choose the premium amount and premium frequency also. So premium amount you choose that 1,50,000 or 1,60,000 or then you can scale it up even to the your requirement. And premium frequency, whether it is monthly, quarterly, half yearly or yearly ones, that is also your choice. And choose funds for investment. We have given about 8 varied funds. So you can choose your depending on your risk appetite. Suppose you want to have more, you go for equity fund. You want to have moderate, you go for balanced fund. Or you want to have a standard and it should be low risk, then you go for a bond or bond optimizer fund. And premiums paid, allocation charges are invested in funds according to the investment strategy. So there is a strategy for investment. So accordingly your funds are being invested. Funds grow based on the market conditions, no doubt about it. And also at maturity, fund value is as on date of the maturity that's being given. This is how the flow of working this product. And this product is also having a very good benefit and which is not being covered by many of the insurance companies. What is that means? In maturity inoperable, the fund value is being given. In case of any unforeseen happening like death, so you will get fund value plus your insurance value. So both are being given in platinum option. So always we suggest go for a platinum option because you will get fund value plus you will also have that insurance value which is written on the bond. And thirdly, this product is given such a way, right, built-in accident benefit. So suppose the unforeseen happening through the accident, so you will get about double the risk coverage plus fund value. And in case of accident, person is survived and there is no any kind of no death and still there is one leg or one hand which is being affected and you are not able to work fully, then you are given the TPD, total permanent disability. How it's being given is that it is given that total sum assured divided by 10. So 10 equal installments is being given for the next 10 years. So this is also very beneficiary. And settlement option on death. Instead of like going for lump sum amount to the nominee, it is also just like a pension, and she can choose that whether it is 5 years or 10 years. She can choose it that she can take about 5 equal installment or 10 equal installment like that. It's a one more important feature. And also this product has got a wonderful returns also. How it means, I have given you an illustration here. Scenario 1, just like that, maturity benefit. Dr. Vijay, I just given a name like that, and who has invested at the age of 30 and with a 7 years of premium payment and 1,50,000 per annum. So he wants to have 20 years long term to have a coverage, and he chosen that platinum option, and he has kept the fund 100% bond optimizer. So I have shown that first year and 10th year and 20th year. So in case of anything emergency fund required on the 5th year, he can take about 15% of the fund value as a partial withdrawal. If nothing has happened at the last maturity, if it is calculated the 8%, it will be roughly about 39 lakhs plus. And if he is investing, he wants to invest into equity fund, and at the 20th year you can see that 1 crore plus, which is also shown. What I am telling you that depending on the fund, your funds are going to come. But if you are investing into equity, there is some equity risk is there. If you are investing into bond optimizer, there won't be any much risk. So your safe fund, your standard returns will be receiving. So this is a one illustration I have given, and I have given even that how first year, second year, third year like that, all bond optimizer fund 39 lakhs 31,000, how it's going to present for you. And thirdly, we have given one more product feature bracket. What is means at what age one can enter into the plan and what age one can exit from the plan. It is that 18 years is a minimum age, and the person who wants to take this plan should be major, and at the same time 55 years is the upper age limit. The maximum maturity is 65 years. So here you have given that no premium paying term PPT 7 years or 10 years or 12 years, and the policy term can be varied from 10 years to 30 long years one can keep, right? At the same time, this has got monthly, quarterly, half yearly also you can take, and sum assured is 10 times of the annualized premium. These are the funds: equity allied fund 2, balance fund, bond fund, money market fund, bond optimizer fund, pure fund, mid cap, and corporate bond fund. So option to switch the funds is also there. You can do fund switching. Suppose you are in the bond fund, the market is going tremendously, you can go into the equity fund. If the market is not doing well, you can keep it in the bond fund, very safer. This kind of facility is not there in majority of the mutual funds. Mutual funds are the one-way path. If you go into the one way, you have to return in the same way. But here, the fund switching is there. That is a very safety feature for the customer. So this is a one advantage with this. Surrender. If you want to surrender the plan totally, on the 6th policy year, you can come and then surrender. Whatever the fund value, you can take it out. And this surrender facility is also tax-free total. It's a tax-free maturity surrender. So that's advantage. See the charges. We have given here charges. Charges is first year to 5th year, it is only 3% per annum. So out of the 30 years or 20 years or 15 years, whatever the term you have chosen, you are paying only for 5 years. The rest of the 15-20 years, it is a totally allocation charges is 0. And other charges are that policy administration charge is a very, very meager, just a cup of coffee per month. That is 60 rupees. And for the rest of the term. And this is the product which is suits for the doctors, engineers, and professionals, lawyers, and as well as even other professionals. It is a very good product. Why means it's a limited premium paying term, only 7 years, and long term risk coverage. That is also with accidental and permanent disability also available, and anytime that you can step out after the 5th year. And fourthly, very important is that fund variability. You have varied funds, 8 variety of funds are there. So this is how you can really do with this product. It's a wonderful product that you can take it up, and 1,50,000 is a investment value, and that investment value majority 97% will go to the investment. Only 3% is the charges. So this is a wonderful product. So I wish a very healthy and long life. Thank you for listening. Good day.